Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this video, we are going to be learning how to mute chats in Signal application using your mobile device. Whether you are tired of constant pings or just need some quiet time, this step will perfectly work for you. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and tap open the Signal application from your smartphone, and then go ahead and log into your account. From the chat screen, find the conversation you want to mute. Swipe left on the conversation and you will be able to see a mute button. Tap on it, and then you can go ahead and choose the mute duration. You'll get options such as 1 hour, 8 hours, 1 day, 1 week, or always. Select any one that works for you, and then once you do that, you've successfully muted the chat for the selected duration. You'll still receive messages silently, but no more annoying sound alerts. That's how you mute chats in Signal, simple, fast, and with no distractions. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell so that you never miss another quick, helpful tip. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.